institute is named Advanced Robotics Manufacturing Institute. And we cover the broad aspects of robotics for manufacturing. And then interestingly, we bring in technologies which have been developed not primarily for manufacturing in other areas like service robots and so forth. But these technologies are now relevant to the kind of manufacturing we're talking about. So we invited a variety of skills and expertise in this institute. This is a group representing the majority of industry and the majority of academic research institutions. We are actually ready for creating de facto standards, for instance. Those new areas, perhaps they need some regulations, safety in particular. There's no mechanisms currently available to address this properly. This is so new, and the new technologies, no one really follow up the state of the art. And no one can actually create the standards looking at the future trends. We will be responsible for putting together all the knowledge and all the technologies and then chart the way how we can actually create the agreeable standards. Carnegie Mellon Universities agreed to be the hub institution. They are going to build a new building to house some major activities out there. MIT is one of the key hub together with the Georgia Tech and the Texas A&M, and also on West Coast side, Berkeley, UC Berkeley is joining this network. Now, we will create the kind of healthy environment to manage many of the research activities. We make an announcement of what the sort of research are needed. It's got basically project calls. And then we create the committee consisting of major participants from companies, large, small, and medium. And they're going to review the proposals and the potentials and the relevance to the industries and current needs. And every year we go through a very rigorous, thorough, and fair judgment as to who's going to be funded and what research works are important. So these are the places where industry participants come in and then actually test out their equipment. Also, they can actually jointly build some test plant, test bed, whether a certain robot and then software can really work or not. We can actually test it in consultation with both academic and experts and the industrial leaders. So this will be a major change in the way we've been developing robotics technologies. It's no longer just just inside of the small companies or robot vendors. This is a place that the users and the vendors work together with the academic partners. This is really a new model for pushing the robotics research towards the manufacturing automation.